Today guys, malaki-laki ang i-unbox natin. It's not a smartphone, it's not a laptop, it's not a desktop, but rather, it's a sound system from ULTIMEA. Ang bigat nitong package nito, no? And honestly, sa bigat pa lang niya, alam mo na premium kasi hindi siya ampaw. And what I have here is the Poseidon D80 Boom, which is going to probably fill my room with sounds. And I believe that it's going to be very immersive. So tara, simulan natin ang unboxing. Kung presentation na pag-uusapan natin, magandang presentation na kanang box. Purple ang kanang base color. And we have all of the specs na nakaprint dito sa likod. Bluetooth supported, HDMI supported, and Dolby Atmos. Meron pa siyang ULTIMEA app na pwede mo i-download sa Apple App Store and sa Google Play Store. So since naka-sealed pa siya, tanggalin muna natin yung seal. Talagang, lagkit. So inside we have a small box here. Most likely, ito yung mga cables and adapters. Ganda lang ng presentation, O, diba? Linis. So you have your user guide, HDMI cable, audio cables, adapter, power source, and ang kanyang remote controller. Tanggalin natin other stuff, styro. So we have here yung kanyang soundbar. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. Ganda, Diba? Mukhang premium. Andito yung mga ports na dito sa likod. Meron tayong dalawang HDMI ports, ang USB port, optical, aux, audio cables, and of course, power in. And here's the big one, kaya sa woofer. Uy, laki. So, okay, tanggalin din natin ang plastic niya. Ito yung tsura na sa likod. Okay, ganda. Solid. And this is how it looks like dito sa ilalim niya. Solid din ang trim. Eh, meron tayong kasama 4 na malilit na speakers. So, 1, 2, 3, balance. Baka mahulog. Iyak ako pag nahulog to. And 4. O, diba? 4. And ayun, naubos yung laman ng box. Wala na. Kaya natin yung tsura nito. Cute to. Kito yung sounds na labas. Yan. And ito yung ports na sa likod. So since na-unbox na natin siya, so how about i-setup na natin sa ating bedroom? Now, sinet-up naman natin siya and it wasn't really that hard. And it's quite a breeze dito. Nilagay ko lang naman sa aking table. And what I did is to connect 3 cables lang dito sa likod. So, we have yung kanyang power in, FR and FL. So, FR going to yung speaker dito. Okay. And FL going to yung other speaker na dito sa gilid. So, just simply connect it. Kabit ko lang power. Kabit ko lang si FR. This pula. And kabit ko lang si FL. Ito sa puti. That's all. Hindi ko na kailangan iba, no? So, kasi I'll be using Bluetooth connectivity, which is better kasi wala nang cluttered ng wires. Now, to power it up, so ko lang yung natin, no? Power. So, kita mo mag-load na siya. Saglitan lang. Yan. So, pakita mo, no? Kasi na BT. Not sure kung kita nyo, no? Then change the other source. Pindutin mo lang tong input, aux, USB, EARC, HDN, OPT, optical, and Bluetooth. So, Bluetooth tayo. So, you can play with yung kanyang sound. Yung volume here. Kita mo akit baba yan. Touch sensitive siya. So, basically, naka-powered on na tayo. And have both of our speakers here. Bisa naman i-mount din siya, no? Nakabit mo na naman yung kanong color lang naman siya. That's it. Very simple. And check lang natin sa woofer natin. Now, pagdating naman sa atin sa woofer, ito yung medyo mas mabigat, no? Mabilis lang din. Parang, lang natin, soundbar natin. Ginawa ko is to connect yung pula papunta na sa speaker natin sa kanan, which is this one. And the other one na this kabilang side, which is the white one. Then, meron tayo power cord. Nakabitan natin. Auto-detect na siya, no? Wala ka nang gagawin iba. Then, pindutin ko lang to. Power up. So, yun. Tapos na. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo connection ko, no? So, device and Bluetooth. No? So, ito sa TV natin, Xiaomi TV ko. So, what I did is to connect to dito. Okay? Per device, Poseidon D80 Boom, which is, auto-detect lang. Detect mo lang siya, kukunin mo siya. Ganun kasimple lang siya. and the sound is right now firing out from my TV. So, after mo select to, what you need to do is yung sound, select mo ng TV speaker. So, kung ano mga binabato ng TV speaker, diretso na yan sa ating speaker, which is kay ULTIMEA. So, let's start browsing and check natin, no, kamusta ka ng sound quality.
If you do not express an intent to vote by the count of 3, it will be considered an abstention.
If you're watching naman mga series, iset mo lang siya sa movie din, sa kanyang equalizer sa app niya, and you'll feel yung kanyang sound is better. Lalo kung medyo suspense na siya Squid Game, mapifeel mo, no, yung parang yung background mo, yung medyo suspenseful siya. Ang ganda na, lalo ko yung mo, medyo malapit sa woofer, medyo mafe-feel mo yung ganda ng kanyang suspense, no, during that moment. Iba, mafe-feel mo talaga siya.
Foot wingspan in full effect, and down, the defense, the offense with a big man starring in Inglewood. Kelly Johnson does everything.
Now, kung nanonood ka ng mga basketball games like the NBA All-Star Games and just the regular season game, mag-enjoy ka din dito sa speakers niya dahil ang ganda ng kanyang sounds, no? Yung parang feel mo na meron karang background na noise na parang galing ka from that crowd. And feeling mo parang nandun ka, no? Nanonood ng basketball game. Iba yung feeling na pag surround yung sound, mas immersive ang experience if you're watching basketball games like this one. Now, kung nanonood ka ng mga music video like ganito na Blackpink, yung bagong release nila si Go, and you feel yung parang bass niya sa background, lalo na kung medyo katabi mo yung subwoofer mo, mafe-feel mo parang yung ganda ng bass niya just beating to the beat, no? Ang sarap pakinggan, no? Masarap, parang candy sa aking tenga. It feels good though to be watching mga really good na music videos like this one. If you have a really good na sound system, iba ang level na ma-enjoy mo dito sa kanya. That I can assure you. Kahit manood ka lang ng mga anime like Dragon Ball, Daima, iba rin ang level ng enjoyment to. Yung mafe-feel mo yung a bit better compared to just simply watching it on your smartphone, watching it on your laptop, your tablet. Yung sound niya, lalo na kung meron mga special effect na sinama yung movie, no, or yung anime like this one, mas mafe-feel mo siya at a different level.
I am inevitable.
Now, saving the best for the last, one of my favorite na movies, no, Avengers Endgame. Pag pinapanood ko to, no, kahit pa ulit-ulit, ang sarap panoorin. Now, one of my favorite scene is yung kay Thanos na magsisnap siya ng finger, I am inevitable. Then, mapupunta kay Tony Stark yung mga gems, then I am Iron Man. Yung scene na yun, pag mapapakinggan mo yung kanyang sounds dito, no, on the ULTIMEA na Poseidon D80 Boom, mafe-feel mo talaga yung parang yung bass, no, ang sarap pakinggan, parang very suspenseful yung scene. Ang ganda, ang sarap paulit-ulit tong scene na to, no, and it's definitely one of my favorite of all time. And by the way guys, no, ito yung itsura ng kanyang remote, which is talagang para sa kanya, no, either for D80 or D80 Boom, and command everything dito, no, treble, bass. Pero no, if pwede mo connect siya sa inyong smartphone using the ULTIMEA app, download nyo lang, no, sa Apple App Store, sa Google Play Store, and just simply connect, siya, search na sa via Bluetooth, then you can choose over quite a few selected na mga preset na mga equalizer, which is very easy lang naman, or pwede ka rin mag-customize kung gusto mo. You can select from game, from sports, from movies, and all of the other preset na equalizer na gusto ninyo. Every selection is different from each other, no? So, talagang may experience mo yung ganda ng ganang sound. So yun guys, nakita rin na experience natin sa ULTIMEA na Poseidon D80 Boom. It's probably one of the best experience na meron ko on a speaker. And dahil personally, hindi naman masyado nag-invest sa mga premium na speakers like this one. So, it's really a different experience para sa akin and for my whole family. Kasi normally sa bahay, maglalagay lang na isang dong na soundbar and yun na. Meron ng mga soundbars from Xiaomi, from Samsung, and this is probably one of the best one na na-experience ko so far. Very cinematic na sound. It can give you a really different experience, lalo na if you're watching together with your family, na movies, or watching together with the whole barkada. So if you want a really good immersive sound experience sa loob ng bahay, without even breaking the bank, check this one out from ULTIMEA. It's called the ULTIMEA Poseidon D80 Boom and available na siya sa link na nilalagay natin on the description box below. Una kayo kung saan maghahanap kasi ang daming scammer lately, so just use yung mga official links na pinupost natin. So if you know someone na gusto mag-set up ng magandang sound sa loob ng kanilang bahay, do feel free to share this video to them. And of course, ina-encourage you to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out ng mga video just like this one here sa ating channel. So paano, hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next one. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.